Last time on Star Trek: The Next Generation. And now, the conclusion.
Alright. So, now it'd be cold. So I want to get these two parts now welded. But, I'll try to make you see this. You can see that lip there?
And you're never gonna win with those thin little bird lips you got there.
And there's another lip right there. So when I was cutting, both of the lips were like that. And I just ripped it off. Now I was thinking I can use each one of these lips.
More suction, please.
To fall and line up. Oh, you're not seeing squat. Like, I don't know, like that. Somewhat. Okay? But there's still a big gap on this other side. I don't like that. So what we're going to do, we're going to grind down that lip and kind of bevel out this edge so it's nice and flush. Wow, it's cold. This place is a freaking mess! Alright, it's time to get these flush. When I cut them, I didn't cut straight. So what I want to do is get these on that straight edge here. There we go, straight edge. Okay. Whoa, you are way off, buddy. And always remember to kind of turn it around. You're dealing with two axes. Oh, fucking elbow. Alright, now the tough part is to get that bevel without chartering up the thread. So I'm going to use a file because I'm not very happy about that. What the fuck is this, man? Why? It is skating off this like crazy. Why, Romania?
Why?
Why would you use hardened fucking steel for just a fitting? This shit's hardened. Hardly a fucking dig. I don't have a lot of, really aggressive freaking files. I guess it explains why it cuts so difficult. Whatever. We are gonna go all aboard on the Eyeball Express. What do you want? The fuck am I hearing things? Okay, I don't know if you can see me or not. I get the feeling people are gonna think I have a hunchback because I'm always worried about my head in the freaking camera. So here's the trick I'm gonna use to get these suckers to kind of stay flat, or at least connected. So I put the one in there, put the other one, make sure they're aligned. I'm gonna washer up top. Alright, so I want to align them as close as I can, pretty snug, and then it's welding time. And because my welding helmet doesn't work over my beanie, it means my head's gonna freeze. Yeah, I'm extra complaining today. Turn off the heat, swap out your gloves, make sure you get everything ready before you flip the switch. Oh, that's what I like, freezing gloves. Oh yeah. Oh, hypothermia, my old friend. Whoa! Broken cap. And fuck you, Hobart. We're making this out of the most brittle ass plastic known to man. I made here a checklist.
Yeah, you apparently didn't put one of the new cover sheets on your TPS reports.
Okay, with a couple of just amperage levels for a couple of known sizes or common sizes. You know, how your electrode is going to be positioned, and a couple of characteristics of each type of welding rod. Because my memory is... Now, judging from my experience of this sheet metal that was 10 gauge, this is thicker. This might be a bitch. Just, I don't know if you can see this, the ceramic head of this cracked, so I gotta replace it, because that's all this fun. I don't like this. I don't like this at all. It's too low. I can't see squat, so I'm gonna put it up here. Not with my glove. Alright. Now you guys don't see squat. Anybody volunteering to be a cameraman? Shields on, power on. No, power on, shields down. Oh, I just love it when that happens. I'm just getting a little warmed up because it's, you know, the welder doesn't have to do all that work bringing it up to temp. Yeah, that's not good. Alright. Shields down, power up. Doesn't help that I'm fogging up like crazy in here. Tap one. Fuck it, close enough. Start doing some beads. Alright, Alright, so what I'm doing right now is I'm trying to get as many of these beads as possible with my amazing welding skills. It's a superpower, really. And then I'm going to hit it up with a grinder to get some of the slag and contamination out. This is not a high stress part, so I'm not worrying. It's a good practice part for me. And since I can't find a 22mm anything, this is the best solution. Power on, shields down. Did I just burn through that? Damn straight.
Almost made it.
Oh, fuck off!
Finish it up.
Can't see anything anymore. Yep. That's how we do here. I think that's enough. Don't you think? That's probably the worst weld on earth. Yep, you can see it. No point in hiding my shame. Alright, so might as well also do a tool review while we're at it. Maybe it's going to change my luck.
Don't you think you should put that thing away?
2485 90 degree die grinder. It's an M12. So I'll take any one of the M12 batteries. Let's give it a whirl. It has 4 settings, 10,000 RPM, 15, 20, 24,000, but apparently this one has the most torque. So that's a little annoying. It's this auto shut off. I guess because it overheats or something. Alright, so let's do it this way by hand. One thing I don't like about it, it's making a breeze, and it's cold. Well, I kind of like this.
Very nice.
I heard that there's issues with removing... Oh, look at all my hair. Yeah. Oh wow, it actually grabbed a decent sized chunk. I think it's gonna have to come out completely. So this comes with two pieces here. Alright, there's this split collet and this retaining nut. The collet does come out. My hands were not freezing. Alright, so it snaps out. And you see this little bevel here, whatever, dimple, whatever you want to call it. There's the equivalent on the retaining nut, and it kind of squeezes it down. It's meant for a 1/4 inch, which this is. Wow, this is from Spain. This thing is like 30 years old. It's old. It works. Alright. So you put the collet back on. Obviously put these both on the shaft of whatever you want to spin. And whammy. And it comes, I got the bare tool because I already have a bunch of batteries and charger. And it's about $160. I could have got it for $150, but I wanted to get the return policy. Okay, it's a nifty little tool, and it's great for getting into nasty quarters where you're cutting or trying to polish something. And same problem. All the M12s, they have these weird tabs that kind of get stuck. But anyways, it's nice and light. It's probably lighter with the smaller 2-hour amp hours, not the 4. But yeah, so there you go. I like this. Oh, for the love of God, come on. Stop being a bitch. Alright.
And that was the second time I got crapped.
So that's my crummy weld. But as the saying goes, grinder and paint make me the welder I ain't. And if that's how it looks with grinder and paint, you know what kind of welder I am. So there you go. I'm leaving the thing in the basement. I'm not happy with this result, but I'm posting this for one reason alone. It may not be pretty, and I haven't decided if you got to see my freak out.
You are freaking out, man.
Not freak out, just getting pissed off and demoralized. Moral of that story is that sometimes you just got to push through, and I don't know what's going to happen with this channel. I don't know what's happening with my life. I'm broke, but it is what it is. Keep trying to hustle, you know. Some of you might have noticed I changed my name. Well, not really my name. My name has always been Alex. Alexander the Great! Not a great welder though. Yeah. But anyways, so this is Alexander the Great, the heavy metal mechanic, also still the DAC man, telling you to get back to work.